Welcome everybody to today's Lunch and Learn. I'll be your host, Jared, and we got a couple of announcements to go through before we start answering questions. First things first, we have a Decisions YouTube channel. Please like, comment, and subscribe. We upload videos. These Lunch and Learns will get uploaded there, and also any custom videos that you guys requested will get uploaded there, or any new topics that we've identified internally and we create, and then we'll upload them there as well. So we got a lot of cool stuff happening at that channel. So please like, comment, subscribe. We also have the Decision Solution Marketplace. That's where you can look at different bills and different things and find out what piece of information that you need on how to build a certain thing. And so there's a lot of great stuff there as well. There is also another new event that we have, and it is the Decision Submerse event. We have a Submerse event happening in November 10th through 13th. If you go to our decisions.com/training, there is the register. You can go ahead and click the register now to go ahead and register for that new event, and it will be there for you. So go ahead and go to decisions.com/training, and then just click register now under Submerse, and you can be registered and submit and secure your spot there inside of that registered event. So awesome. That's all the stuff that we have. So let's dive into questions. All right. So Marvin has one, version 9.15. The radio button list doesn't appear to honor the background transparency when placed in a flex layout that has a colored background. I'll give you some more ability to talk, Marvin. Doesn't appear to honor. Is there? I know that can happen if you have some CSS. Some CSS you have may override that, and that could cause that. Do you have any
Actually,
CSS?
I turned the CSS off
Okay.
and it didn't appear. It was just yeah, this was not using any of the custom CSS that we had generated.
Okay. So radio button list doesn't appear to honor. Have you submitted this to support for a
No, I
DT?
hadn't yet. I just wanted to
Okay.
ask, make sure I wasn't doing anything wrong before I submitted it. That's all.
Oh, okay. I gotcha. I don't know if it doesn't appear to honor the background transparency.
All I did was
If
create a
have you go ahead.
layout on the page. And
Is this flex layout for pages or flex layout for forms?
I'm sorry, a form.
It's for a form. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
When placed, so you have a radio button list and you place it in a flex layout. I mean, I can do it on my version.
Yeah.
I think I
I
have
wanted to make sure I was doing it right. You know?
yeah, no worries. Let me see if I can build one real quick. I don't think it's gonna take too long. Create a form and we'll do just radio button list test. All right, and then we'll do, you said you have a flex layout and then
Works.
a radio button list. Perfect, and I put that in here.
Mm-hmm.
Let me make that have more of the columns. Let me just see it there. String data static list test. Oh, test one, test two.
Yeah.
There we go. We got some information there. Test one, test two, three. All right, cool. And then you have view and then transparent background. And let's say I have this set up to be green.
Yeah.
And just so that we have nice stark contrast. Okay. So we have that there.
And then if you go back to the radio button and turn on see it stays white. I would have expected the green background.
I'm curious. I don't know if this is a DT. I gotta run this. Reason why I think it's something to do with how this thing is, how a not flex, but how the radio button list is is made. We go to view because there's a container class. So here, like so we can test this out. So if I actually let me go to a flow so it actually renders. Radio button list test. So if I go to flow alpha, actually let's do that. Test, and we'll say radio button list test. Flow thingy. This way now it's something named different. boom, boom, and then show form, add this here. Radio button list test. Okay, I was like, where's my button? There it is. And I debug this. Now what I want to know is I want to actually see, let's go, I'm going to do F12 on this, and I actually want to click on and look at the HTML of this, because I think it's a holder class. So I don't, okay, let's expand this. That's the item, Where's the holder class? Enable, disable holder. So let me see if I can find, that's just the individual. That's the whole thing, that's that. Okay, we just want this.
Well, either way, it's misleading if you've got a transparent option and it doesn't transparent, then
Right, no, I think, I agree, I think you're definitely correct, so. Okay, so that just grabs the flex. Cause I'm trying to find out. I'm wondering if there's something in here. Let me move this. I gotta move this to the left because I still want to see what it's doing to it. Are these? Okay, so we got the class. Okay, so we're in here. Show me this thing. I want to see this thing. Div DP radio button. So I gotta find that here. Div DP radio button. Okay, so not that widget content. Flex direction column. Okay,
okay.
so that's got it. There we go. Okay, so that's this. I found it. Does justify align? Yeah, so maybe. Okay, now here's a fun thing. Here's a fun thing. I'll do this off screen. CSS for transparent background. Okay, here we go. Perfect. Maybe I'm wondering because if this is here. So if I go where I was just here, right? Yeah, this is it. So if I add this to here, and let's say I say background color
How to set.
transparent. I'm just curious if that makes it. Because that's the radio button list for it, DP radio button list. Okay, so let me add this here. And then how to add important tag. There we go. That's what I thought. Definitely sounds like, I think from what I'm saying, it's important.
I am.
I think you're right that that is a bug
Okay.
because it's not. Yeah, that's in the correct, that's the radio button list. Disabled the holder.
Well, I can submit this as a something to look into. I don't want to take up people's learning time, so.
Oh, no, you're good. I think this is good because then we get to see this in
Sure.
detail. But yeah, but it seems like it's definitely something here. This DP radio, it's definitely not triggering correctly for some reason. I wonder if I disable flex. Okay, no. Where is?
I see you have each of the items collapsed in the HTML. I wonder if it's one of those you would need just for.
The label there. Well, that would give you like this gives us like if we want. Unless, oh, I see what you're saying. So you're saying if we add backgrounds to here and you set that to transparent.
Right, and I mean, we're grabbing at straws, and you would think the hierarchy would allow that, but though.
Yeah, so it looks like, I'm wondering. Because that's the holder, that's the silver button.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I'm thinking it should have been that. Display, DP flex out. Because that's the flex layout. I'm wondering if it's here. It's one of these things. That's why I want to just take some time to, I think we can try to figure it out. Transparent. Hey, look at that. Found it. It's that. See? So we can make that tan or transparent. So there's this, so it looks like, yeah, the overarching class. So then if I set that as transparent, and then I think what you'll have to do here is then you have to say border, color, border. Is it dash color? I always forget what it is. Color. And then transparent. There we go. And then you can remove the border out of there. So I could send this to you. So as a workaround, you probably need to add like some CSS to your entire flex layout that says
Right.
make it transparent, and then you can do it. And then I'll send this. I can send this to you.
Okay. Thanks.
Let's see, transparent. Yep, transparent. And that's what's missing. All right, let me just screenshot this and I'll email you right now. So if you want to add.
I've got. I think I've got a screenshot, but sure.
Okay, cool. Because I was just gonna.
I've got that.
Okay, cool. Perfect. But yeah, that's what it was. So yeah, I guess that for some reason that checkbox should operate that, and so it should change, that stuff.
Now,
For
is
it. So
that on that flex layout? Are you changing the radio button? Yeah, you're changing the radio button list. Okay. All right.
yeah, exactly.
Just
Because
looking back at
it's a
looking at
sub
details.
child. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a sub one, but yeah, it's
Okay.
but the reason why I wanted to do this is it's possible that the devs designed it that way intentionally,
Right.
to give people more flexibility, and that's the correct thing. So that's why I wanted to spend time and like actually give you like, if you need to do this, here's how to do it. Instead of just, oh well, sorry, I wanted to
Yeah.
just give you
Right.
something.
Okay.
Yeah. Workaround and info on what needs to change. All right, there we go. I just emailed you.
Do you think I should submit that as a look into type of thing, or?
I would say it's a DT because those get better, like those will get viewed more. FRs usually just get put in the back burner if it's not something critical. But yeah, I would put it as a DT, and whatever comes with it comes with it. But at least you have the workaround to know what you need to change to remove,
Right.
that transparency.
Will do. Thank you, sir.
Of course, my pleasure. Appreciate the question. Alrighty. Let's see. Mental. All right, let me go ahead. I lost my people. There it is. I'm gonna allow you to talk. Your request. Hello, this may be a silly question. No such thing. How do I add less than or equal to sign on a label? Depends. Are you talking about on a form or
Hello, Jared. Just on the form. So I just have a regular label, and the question is like, how can I set up a value like less than or equal to? And I'm just trying to get that sign. I know this maybe just like tried my best, but I can't.
just a normal label? All right.
Just a regular label.
I'm like suspicious. Like what? There's got to be something. Like less than or equal to, like
Yes, less than and equal to.
like that.
Yes, but like it's the sign and then underscore in the bottom. Like usually, how do I this? Like I
Like
said,
this?
tried to Google it and all, but
I could be missing something. I guess that's how I would do it. You just type it. Left arrow equal sign. Then.
oh, okay. Just do it like that. In decisions, we cannot do where there's a less than sign and then there's an underscore under it.
Oh, you're doing, wait, you're doing this?
Uh, it's like I wish I could take a screenshot.
Could you, I mean, if you want, take a screenshot and email me at my
Mhm.
email address and I'll put it in the chat and it won't be shown publicly. It'll just be off screen. So I
So
can
like
see which
this,
one.
I think I just put it in I put it in the question.
Oh, I see what you, okay,
Yeah.
okay.
I'm so sorry. I know that
No,
was a
you're
silly
fine.
question. I was like, my God, how do I
It's,
explain that?
it's not silly. I just didn't know what you referred to. I was like, what's happening? So yeah, I guess what I would do, I wonder if I can copy this. Can I put, what happens if I put that in here?
Oh my God. Okay, that's perfect.
There's probably a keyboard shortcut on how to do it that I don't have that symbol. But
Mhm.
but a typical thing is you can like if you do like what is it, math operations
Mhm.
operation
I think
sign.
there's an alt code for it. Hold the alt key down.
There
And then
is,
there would
yeah,
be a number like 0176 says I can't remember, but yes, I've used that several times.
exactly. And I think yeah, there is an alt code. I don't know the alt codes. I think you can see alt codes for less than, right? And then this will show you all the alt codes for it.
Just say 243.
I don't even know what that means. It's like, do you have to like smash all those numbers simultaneously or?
No,
Just
no, no,
one
no. Go back to your search.
Yeah,
And yeah, the alt. Yeah, just
243.
hold the alt key down and
Uh-huh.
type 243 in your
Alt.
number pad.
Okay, so let's,
Number pad. It's
okay.
like your shift key something, but in this
Okay.
case, alt
Alt
243 using the
243.
yeah.
I do it at the same time.
Yes, hold the alt key down, then 243, and then let go of the alt key.
243. Let go of alt. Does my num lock have to be on?
Yeah, I was trying to do
Yes.
the same thing, but it didn't work in decisions.
Hey, there we go.
So
I
just
got it.
shift
So
and alt?
No.
yeah, well, this is it's a computer thing. It's not a decision thing, but I have to have num lock on. So you have to have
Mhm.
num lock on your keyboard, alt, and then you go 243, and then let go, and then it comes with that. I was using the numbers up top to do it, and that's
No, the
didn't work.
numbers up top won't work. You have to use
Yeah,
the number pad.
I did not know that. Yeah, so alt. Yo, dude, you've like I was struggling with this for like years because I could never understand it. I learned something. Dude, this is awesome. Wow, I'm super excited. This is why lunch and learns are great. Everyone's lunching, everyone's learning. I love it. So yeah,
This helps a lot.
So let's see. But now
Mhm.
to your question, I'm going to do it here because I'm curious if it does go in decisions. I
Okay.
think it should, but let's see. Okay, alt. I'm typing in alt 243. Let go. Let's see. So alt 243. Okay, it works. It
Okay.
does.
Well,
Yeah.
that's perfect. Thank you so much. I'm gonna do it and it's working on my end now too. Appreciate your helps,
Perfect.
both
Of
of you. Thank
course.
you so much.
Yeah. Anytime. Great questions. Alrighty. Any other questions? Alrighty. Well, if there's no other questions, we'll go ahead and wrap it up quickly. And if you guys have any questions, we got tomorrow. I think Jeremy will be hosting, so you'll be able to still get your questions answered. I'm there, so feel free to join that one. And also, don't forget our November Submerge. We're going to walk through the document routing project. Actually, let's kind of talk about that. There is a PDF that I've created for it that I think is important to just be aware. So on this, we do have our November Submerge. We're going to go through document routing, and a cool thing about it is after you go through it, you will get a badge up on the LMS to signify that you've completed it. And then you'll get a really cool certificate showing that, hey, you've gone through this and you've learned all of these features here. So if you know anyone in your company or is interested in learning decisions more, we'll have a live virtual conference call that will walk through the building of the document routing project and also probably show you guys some other cool nifty tricks here and there. And then you can earn this badge in your LMS and you can show it off to all your cool friends. And then you'll get this certificate here. So that's some of the fun stuff we have happening. If that's all there is, then thank you so much for attending and I'll see you guys next time.